late on the couch. Thank God for kids. Thank God for kids, there's magic.
What a cutie. That's Miles brushing his teeth at 14 months. Hi, babe cakes. How you doing? This morning, if you have kids, you might wonder when the right time is to maybe start brushing their teeth or taking them to the dentist. And there are a lot of myths out there. And this morning, we're lucky enough to have Dr. Jason McCargar here joining us with a few mythbusters about kiddos and our lovely models as well. So let's begin with the first myth, because I think this was one you might be wondering about if you're expecting or you have a young child. It is that you don't have to brush or care for baby teeth.
That myth is completely incorrect.
Okay.
You do need to brush and care for your child's teeth. You know, some parents feel that they don't need to brush or care for their children's teeth because the teeth are going to fall out early at a young age. But those baby teeth serve as a guide for the permanent teeth.
Yeah.
So, for example, if those baby teeth are lost prematurely due to tooth decay, it could cause the permanent teeth to come in bulging or crooked or even crowded.
Okay, so you say as early as, I mean, really right after they're born, we need to get in there.
That's right. Yeah.
And scrub.
That's correct. You want to get in there and make certain that the oral environment is as clean as and as healthy as possible.
How do you do that with an infant?
The best way that you can.
Okay, all right.
What you want to do is actually hold the child as best as you can. Before they have teeth, maybe take a moist towel, kind of sweep and clean the inside oral environment, so just to try to make it as clean and as healthy as possible.
Oh, it's so cute. Let them suck on a toothbrush, maybe?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. Let the child play with the toothbrush a little bit so that they become familiar. Exactly, with the feel of the toothbrush and how the toothbrush feels inside the mouth.
Obviously supervised.
Exactly. You always want to supervise.
Okay, number two, the second myth. My child doesn't need to see a dentist until they have a full set of teeth.
Again, another very popular myth. Some parents won't take their child to see the dentist until the child reaches age 4.
Okay.
But you know, the American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry recommends that first dental visit occur by age 1 or by the child's first birthday.
Really?
Exactly. So you want to take your child to the dentist to also establish a level of confidence so that the child doesn't have a fear of going to the dentist later on in life. So
many of us do have that fear.
That's right. So many people have that fear. So if you bring the child for the first visit, you know, at Scottsdale Dental Arts, what we do is we have what's called the happy visit.
Oh, that's good. And what does that entail?
So at the first visit, what we'll do is introduce the child to the dental office, let the child take a ride on the dental chair, go up and down, kind of play with
stuff, create a mess.
Few things, exactly. And then maybe sit on mom or dad's lap, and we'll kind of count the teeth together. So
get to know you a little better.
Exactly.
All right.
We try to make that first visit just as much fun as possible for both the child and the parent.
Sure, that's great. Okay, and last but not least, by the way, we've got some people back here going, Miles, we're okay back here. This is our third one. It says babies don't get cavities from breast milk. What's the answer to that?
That is actually incorrect. So milk and juice, baby food, they're all excellent food sources, but they do break down into simple sugars. And those sugars feed the bacteria that causes tooth decay or that leads to tooth decay in the mouth. So one of the main things that you want to do is try to avoid, you know, overnight feeding. That's what's really important. Because when milk, for example, is allowed to pool inside the mouth, the acids in the milk can erode the enamel or the outer surface of the teeth.
Wow.
So that can lead to tooth decay.
You know, you hear about that with like Coca-Cola, but not, you know, milk.
Exactly.
So, interesting.
Exactly.
All right, well, some great information this morning. Thank you very much. And Miles, was just a pleasure to have on the show. Thank you. If you want any, what a sweetheart. If you want any information on this, it's up on our hotline. There it is, 602-207-3646, or at our website, azfamily.com. Pleasure to have you all here. Thank you.